Okay, this video is on how to graph coordinates or points. Each coordinate has two parts. It has an x part and it has a y part. The x part deals with the x-axis. This is the x-axis. The x-axis at the center, from the right of the center it goes positive, from the left of the center it goes negative. The y part of the coordinate deals with the y-axis. From the center up goes positive and down goes negative. So the x-coordinate, if you go to the right, that's a positive direction. If you go to the left, that's a negative direction. The y part, if you go up, that's a positive direction, and if you go down, that's a negative direction. So, here's how we label our coordinates or put a dot where we're supposed to, a point. Step 1, start in the center or the origin. The center of your graph is called the origin, so we start right here in the center. Step 2, move in the x direction. We're going to do this first coordinate here. It has an x direction of a positive 6 and a y direction of 8. So we started in the center. We're going to move the x direction 6. It's a positive 6. We're going to move to the right 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not putting any dot or anything yet. We just move to the right 6 spots. Now, step 3, move in the y direction. Positive 8, positive in the y direction, it goes up. So we're going to move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 4, once you're at your spot, put a dot where you end up, and we ended up right here, so we have a dot right there. This dot is our A coordinate. Our coordinate is labeled A. You can write it in coordinate form where 6 is the x part and 8 is the y part. Okay, now let me erase the other mess I have here. So let's graph the rest of these. B is 3, negative 7. We start at the origin, we move in the x direction. Positive 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we move in the right y direction, negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we put our dot. So first we move, we're doing 3, negative 7. First we do positive direction, positive x is going to the right. Then we go negative y direction. Negative y goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we put a dot. This is B. Its coordinate is labeled 3, negative 7. Okay, so I'm going to label the rest. C is negative 4, starting at the origin. Negative 4 is the x direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the left. 6, positive y, goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we put our dot. That's where C is. D, the x-coordinate is negative 3. We start at the origin and we go negative 3 for the x. That's to the left. Go down 5. So we at negative 3. The y direction is negative 5. We go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where the D coordinate is located. E, so we start at the origin. The x direction is 0. That means we go right or left. 0. We stay right where we're at. The y direction is positive 5. That's up 5. And then we put a dot. This right here is E. You can label the coordinate if you want. 0, positive 5. F, negative 3, 0. First we're going to go to x direction. Negative 3 is left. Then y direction, up or down, 0. We don't move since it's 0. We put our dot, and that's where F is. And finally G, the coordinate 0, 0. Start at the origin, go right 0. That means we stay where we're at. We go up or down 0. That means we stay where we're at. 0, 0, the origin is just right where we began. 0, 0. This is how you graph coordinates. Another word for coordinate is just a dot or a point on a graph. Thank you for watching this video.